Yay, it's Star Wars Day!
Nope, still not Star Wars Day, but if you did catch our last video, we did throw ourselves a Star Wars themed day. It was a lot of fun. One problem, what did we forget?
Blue milk.
And green milk. So, today, we're gonna make blue milk and green milk.
Let's do it!
For the blue milk, you'll need 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of rice milk, 4 tablespoons of sweetened coconut cream, and 2 cups of ice. So obviously, in order to make blue milk and green milk, you need food dye. This makes me a little nervous. Hopefully we get the color right. So here we go. I'm gonna put 1 drop in.
Yeah, let's try just 1.
Okay. Because it's a lighter color. Actually, the blue milk's supposed to be like about the color of the cap.
Yeah, these are pastel colors that we got.
Sure.
All right, let's see what happens.
All right. Maybe I should turn it on first. Why does it look like green milk?
I don't know. Maybe a little more blue.
All right. Because of the pineapples.
Maybe yellow.
Yeah.
Try a little more.
All right, we're gonna add. Let's add 1 more. I'd rather go 1 at a time.
Okay. It's green. All right, let's do a little more blue. Maybe a couple drops.
It's gonna come out
because it says
dark.
2 drops, so.
So, well.
What happened?
I don't know.
A little mess in the kitchen.
Oh, what else is new?
It seems like blue milk's turning green milk.
Okay,
but
here's the
let's try
problem.
again.
So the recipe that we're following calls for blue dye and white dye.
Mm-hmm.
But we thought, where are we gonna find white dye? Who needs white dye? We could just use blue dye. Now I know why we need white dye, because it's coming out green.
Try a couple more.
A couple?
2.
All right. Well, those are 2 long drops.
Let's try it.
Okay, well.
What can we do to make it blue?
Well, we need white dye. Now I know why.
Well, the blue milk is now green milk.
Well, not necessarily. Hold on. It's
green.
kind of blue. You know what? It might look more blue next to the green milk.
Maybe.
So let's make the green milk.
Let's try.
For the green milk, you'll need 1/2 cup of orange juice, 2 cups of passion fruit juice, 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of rice milk, 4 tablespoons of light corn syrup, and 2 cups of ice.
Okay, now we're gonna add the green dye.
Don't put too much.
Squirts open. How many squirts?
Squirts? Try 1 drop at a time.
1.
Or maybe do 2? I don't know. 2.
Top is on. What button do I hit?
No, just hit anyone, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's
definitely more green.
Yeah, I actually think this is the colors are making sense now. Is that enough?
I would add another drop.
Okay. 1 more drop of the green dye. And next I'll be using this in my hair.
No, you won't.
Oh, 2 more.
How many did you put?
2 by accident.
Great. By accident, he says. That's green.
Yeah.
That is definitely green.
It's Yoda green.
We did something right.
Oh my god. Okay, we removed our container from the blender.
Okay, relax.
And we're going to pour the green milk. Ooh, you can hear it sizzle.
That's green.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Ooh, yeah. I think it's a good consistency too. We can top it off. It's Yoda green, that's what I'm calling it.
Tell the difference on what's blue and what's green.
I can't believe it. We thought this was green.
Yeah, well, it looked green at first.
No, now it's
I told you. I'm excited. Okay, so here's the thing. we have never had blue and green milk from Galaxy's Edge. We know people who have, so we have heard that the blue milk tastes better than the green milk.
Yeah.
Now, what it tastes like, I don't know. I'm assuming like a pina colada, judging by what we put inside. So let's go for this one first.
All right, blue milk?
All right,
Cheers.
blue milk. Oh. Oh, no.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't even want another sip. Ew.
I don't like it.
Okay, so,
Ugh. Like 3 out of 10.
okay,
maybe.
well, stop drinking it.
It's okay.
It's weird. The second sip was better than the first. I think I was expecting a different taste. It definitely has the pina colada taste. I taste the pineapple more than I taste anything else, but it's like milky, which
It's not bad. I think it would be good with the rum, like people say.
Oh, we're putting alcohol in it, okay?
Well, I think at Disney World they do it.
So at Disney World and Galaxy's Edge, they sell the blue milk with rum and the green milk with tequila.
I don't know. I'm drinking it.
I don't like it.
It's okay. Let's hope the green's better.
Well, I heard the green milk's not better, so.
All right, cheers.
So from what I hear, this tastes like almost like Fruity Pebbles.
Well, I like Fruity Pebbles. So.
God, this is gonna be so bad. It smells horrible.
Oh, that's much better. I like that.
I'm done.
I like that.
Oh my God.
This one's good.
No, it's not. Oh, fail for Kristen.
Because I like the orange juice with it.
No, it does not. I don't taste the orange. I don't know what I taste, actually.
It's really good.
So we found these recipes off of another YouTube channel. We'll actually put the recipes down below because we would love for you guys to try it. Maybe our taste buds are off. Again, we've never had the drinks at Galaxy's Edge before, so we're not really able to judge them off of anything.
They kind of taste similar in a way, but this is a little more fruity. I wonder if you combined them, what it would taste like.
Oh, I'm not gonna do that.
This is good though. I think the green one's the winner for me.
Well, if I had to pick, I'm going with blue.
Well, we tried it. Now
We did try it.
We tried it in the parks, and then we compare later.
Yeah. If you know of another recipe for blue or green milk, please let us know, comment below, send us a message. Maybe, again, we used the wrong recipe. I don't know. Maybe this is really what it tastes like, and we're gonna save money at Galaxy's Edge. We won't have to buy them. What are you doing?
I'm trying both at the same time. It's a different consistency. This is a little thicker, the blue one, you know? Thanks for watching us attempt to make the green and blue milk, and you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Adventures in Weberland.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up if you like what you see. Ring that bell if you want to get notified every time we post a video.
And we'll see you on the next Adventures in Weberland.
Trucking contest. Don't do that. Don't do that.
That's good.